In today's episode, join us in building Mr. Lego set. This one is called Black Dahlia Flower.
It has 358 pieces. Let's get started. There are 3 packets.
Our Lego set is ready. This is what it looks like. It's a very unique piece actually. We have the dahlia flower here. Nevermore Academy is written on this side. On the other side, it's written the most interesting plants grow in the shade, which I completely agree to. You can actually open it. That's super cool. Can remove the flower, place it like this. Well, we have these two characters.